Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is Canon PIXMA G3590. This gear got refillable ink tanks that make it super efficient and economical. With the full tanks, you can print up to 6,000 A4 pages with the black ink and up to 7,700 pages in color. If you select economy print mode, you may even print up to 7,600 for black and 8,100 for color. You can scan, copy, and print any format up to A4, and you can print photos too. Perfect for a family album. This got 2.7-inch color touchscreen, so it is easy to control and adjust the settings. Connectivity, you can connect it over Wi-Fi network or Apple AirPrint and send documents straight from your phone. You can print on magnetic, glossy, and matte photo paper. So you have a lot of creativity options. In terms of specifications, scanner resolution 600 by 1200 dpi, type of scanner, color flatbed scanner, page format, like I said earlier, A4 letter, scanner element CIC, RGB 8, color depth RGB, each 8 byte, grayscale 8 byte, page formats, the papers you can use A4, A5, A6, B5, F4, letter, legal, executive, foolscap, officio 2, B officio, M officio, 10 by 15 cm, 13 by 18 cm, 18 by 25 cm, 20 by 25 cm, envelope, DL, etc. In terms of the printing speed, up to 11 prints per minute for black and up to 6 prints per minute for color. Print resolution 4800 by 1200 dpi. This is compatible with ink 51. PGBK is black, cyan 51, magenta 51, and yellow 51. Duplex printing automatic, and the paper tray capacity 100 sheets. This system is compatible with Windows 7 or later, Windows Server 2008 or later, Mac OS Big Sur 11.7 by 6 or later, iOS, Android, iPad OS, Chrome OS. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, Apple AirPrint, Cloud. Compatible app, Mopria, Easy Photo Print Editor, PIXMA Cloud Link, Amazon Alexa, Canon Print Service. We're going to unbox this printer, check it out, and see what is inside. This is the power cable, the ink bottles, the information pack, and see what it looks like. This is the scanner. This is the scanner, flat bed scanner. This is the LCD screen. Switch the printer on and off on this button. If you have any paper jam, check for any paper jam and debris. The power cable goes to this port. The USB goes to this port on the top. So this is how to close this. Just need to go in. This is the paper, real paper tray. Can load up to 100 sheets of paper. This is the scanner. So you switch the printer on from this button. This is the print head. The print head. So you also got this power cable. So 2 power cables included, the print head, 2 of those, ink bottles, and the power cables. So these are the stuff included in the packaging. Thank you.